Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share two handmade decorative cushion covers. So let's start with this first DIY. Here I have two layers of thick cotton fabric which is in square shape. Here I am drawing Santa Claus face pattern. I am attaching this white color fabric by using buttonhole stitch. Here I am filling cotton to make it fluffy. After that, making eyes and nose by using satin stitch. Here I have velvet fabric. Here I am hand stitching this red color fabric. After that, using this fabric to create border like structure. Every time I am securing the edges by hand stitching to get finished look. Here I am using white color wool thread for making pom-pom and attaching it to the Santa Claus hat. For making this second cushion cover, here I am choosing light blue color fabric. Here I am drawing some Christmassy pattern on the paper. Now here I have these different shapes. Now I am going to cut fabric pieces by using this paper stencil. We can directly draw on the fabric and cut it. Now here I am going to arrange these fabric pieces on the cushion cover. Here I am using embroidery hoop, attaching it to the fabric. By using buttonhole stitch, I am going to attach these different shape fabric pieces on the cushion cover. Now here I am going to fill some cotton into the snowman for making it to look fluffy. Here I am using French knot stitch for making snow pattern. Highlighting the small detailing by using satin stitch. Now here I have some quick sort of ideas for decorating your regular cushion covers. Here I have this green color shimmer fabric which goes with our Christmas theme. Here I am going to secure this fabric on the cushion cover by using pins. Now it's ready to decorate. Now here I have this red color velvet fabric piece. Now here I am going to create bow-like structure and decorating it. Now in this last DIY, here I am going to use a dupatta which having sequence work. Simply by wrapping the dupatta around the cushion and securing it with safety pins, And here our decorative cushions are ready. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.